Dude, there's literally no earthquake. See, I told you so! Hey, you guys want spaghetti? Come down here and face the end of the world with us! I'm just gonna go now.